Hello students, in this video we will learn how to reverse a circular singly linked list. First we see logic, then we write algorithm according to it. We have given a circular singly linked list containing 3 nodes having values 10, 20 and 5, and last is pointing to the last node of circular singly linked list containing address 200. Here we also use 3 pointers: previous, current and next. First we have to store the address of first node in current pointer. We know that the link part of the last node contains the address of the first node, so we have to write current is equals to last arrow link. That means current is pointing to the node having address 700, and we have to point the next pointer to the node which is next to current, that means to node having address 500. So we have to write next is equals to current link. So current is pointing to this node and next is pointing to node which is next to current. As this is the first node of the linked list and this will become the last node of circular singly linked list, after reversing we have to change the address of this node by the address of the first node of reversed circular singly linked list. Initially we will not change the link part of this first node, so we have to leave this node and change all the nodes other than the first node. That means we change the link part of all the nodes other than the first node of circular singly linked list by moving current to next node while current is not equals to last. When the value of current is equals to last, we stop and then change the link part of this node. So here we have to use a loop by writing a condition while current is not equals to last. So first we have to move previous to current and current to next pointer and next to current link. Next is equals to current arrow link. So initially we point current to this node and next pointer to this node, and after checking this condition that the value of current is not equals to last, we move previous pointer to this node, current to this node and next to this node. Now we change the current node link part by the address of this node which is stored in previous pointer, because we have to reverse the link part of all nodes to its previous node. So we have to make this node points to this node. So we have to write current arrow link equals to previous. Now current link part contains 700 which is address of this node. That means next of current node is now become the previous node. Now again this loop will be repeated. We have to check whether the value of current is not equals to null. Now the value of current is 500. That means it is not equals to value of last. That means 200. The condition is true. So what we have to do, we have to move previous to current, current to next and next to next of current pointer. So now previous is pointing to node which is pointed by current and current is pointing to node which is pointed by next, and we have to move next to current link, that means at the address 700. So next will move to the first node of circular singly linked list. We have to change the current link by the value which is stored in previous, which is 500, address of this node. So current link now contains 500. That means current is pointing to node which is pointed by previous. So the link part of this and this is updated. Now we have to check whether the value of current is not equals to last. This condition is false because current is pointing to the node which is pointed by last. So this loop will terminate. Now what we have to do, we have to change the link part of the node which is pointed by next by the address of 200, because after reversing a circular linked list, this node is the first node of circular linked list. So, and the address of this node is 200, and this node will become the last node of the circular singly linked list after reversing. So we have to store the address of first node into the link part of this node by writing next arrow link equals to last. Now this node link part contains address 200, which is the address of this node, which is the first node of circular linked list after reversing. Now we have to make this node as a last node by writing last equals to next, because the address of this node is stored in next pointer. So we have to update the last pointer by address 700. So this is our final circular linked list after reversing. This node is the first node of circular linked list because the address of this node is containing link part of the last node, and this node is pointing to node having address 500, and this node is pointing to node having address 700. So before reversing of circular linked list we have this circular linked list, and after reversing of circular linked list we have this circular linked list. This node is the first node of circular linked list, this is the second, and this is the last node of the circular linked list. Now we have to write the algorithm by writing algorithm colon C reverse, that means we are reversing a circular singly linked list. Here the parameter required is last, which is pointed to last node. Purpose of this algorithm is, this algorithm reverses the circular linked list. Step 1 is check for empty circular linked list. If the value of last is equals to null, that means there is no node available in circular linked list. So we cannot reverse a empty circular linked list. So we have to write print no circular linked list is available to reverse and exit from this algorithm. Step 2 is, when circular linked list is not empty, that means value of last is not equals to null, we have to initialize the previous pointer to null, current to last arrow link, and next to current link. Then we have to repeat loop while value of current pointer is not equals to value of last pointer by writing while current is not equals to last. Then we have to move the previous to current, current to next, and next to current link, and change the link part of the current node by the value of previous pointer. This loop update link part of all the nodes except first node of circular linked list. Finally we will update the link part of the last node by writing next arrow link equals to last, and finally we update the last pointer by the value of next pointer by writing last equals to next, and step 5 is end. In next video we will see applications of linked list. Thank you.